Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to use Cursor IDE. I am going to give demo in Xcode project. You can use Cursor IDE in your domain like Android project or Flutter project, etc. I am going to create a Xcode project. Open the Xcode and click create new project. Select the app and click the next and name it as guide app. Create a project. Now open the cursor. This is the home window. Open the editor window and open the project. I am going to open the project which I have created just now. Click open. We can see files from the created project. First sample we are going to see is I have a reference image login screen. I am going to create a login screen using this image. So first, this is the chart window. I am going to drag and drop this image to the chart window. Then I am going to give the prompt create login screen from the attached image. Then click send button. Now Cursor IDE is planning and generate the code. We will wait for that. So now we can see Cursor IDE created the login view. We will go to the Xcode project and click the login view. Now we can see a login screen. It has created. Now, so we will go to the cursor and keep the changes. Now I am going to change the color of the welcome back text. For that we will go to the login view. We can do in two ways. First one, we can do it in quick edit. For that, select the text view, welcome back text view, double click it, and we have two options. Click the quick edit. We can see the window. In that, just type the prompt, change the text color to red color. Now click the send button. So it has changed the color. Now go to the Xcode. Before that, we can save the cursor so that it can reflect in the Xcode. Now we can see it has embedded the code. Now we can see here color is updated. Now if you want, we can keep the changes or we can ignore. Now I am going to ignore the code. For that you click this button. Now I am going to perform the same action in the chat window. Again double click the text view and click add to chat. So reference is included here. Now type change text color to green color and click the send button. Now it is generating the code. So it has included the green color. Now go to the Xcode and we can see changes are made. Now we can click keep the changes. Now I am going to we are going to see how to fix the bug. Now for purpose I am going to create a bug. Just I am going to remove the default assigned value and we can see it showing the bug. Now I am going to the cursor IDE and here just give the prompt fix the bug in the login screen. For that, for referencing the login view, we can give @ symbol. Use the @ symbol, it will show the file. If you want, we can include some other files or document, etc. Now I am going to click the login view. Fix the bug in the login view. Then click send button. So it is started to generate the code. Okay, now you can see it has added the default value. Now keep the changes. Now we can see in the Xcode code itself it has given the default value. Next thing, if we want to change AI model, we can change by clicking this button. That's it, and thank you for watching this video.